What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another big body banger, man. Now, I ain't even, you feel me, trying to flex on y'all, man. This is more of a motivation, man. That you can really, you feel me, get a bag off the phone, though, bro. You can really, you feel me? I'm finna teach y'all, though, man. If for y'all who don't know who I am, man, my name is Curdy Bo, you feel me? And, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this YouTube shit for real on my main channel at Curdy Bo 2X, you feel me? I just thought I'd make a tutorial channel where I strictly make tutorials and teach people how to, you feel me? Just like learn how to do shit, you feel me? But hell yeah, man. In this video, I'm about to be showing y'all, you feel me, how to mix and master like a professional, aka, you feel me, how to sound clear on bandlab. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man, and turn on that post notification so you won't miss out on no big body. And hell yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. If you want to, you know, DM me on Instagram, tap in, and I'm giving out free presets and whatnot. So you feel me, come lock your free preset in, man. But without further ado, let's get into this video. This is usually how I start off my song. You feel me? I find a beat, I throw my preset on there, I throw my monitor on if I want to hear myself, and you feel me, I do my thing. But what I'm finna do is, for this video, I'm finna punch in, you feel me, I'm finna punch in, lay some vocals down, and then we gonna go back over and remix the vocals, man, you feel me, to this beat, because y'all gotta keep in mind that this preset, Geek, is tuned to a whole different, you feel me, beat, probably a whole different BPM and the whole, you know, shebang. So we gotta, you know, retweak it. But, you know, stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Let's lay some bars down. Look. Hey, why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. Hold on. Hey, why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. It ain't gon'. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. We going crazy on this motherfucker. Hold on. Right, this shit can get rocky. Rollie on my wrist, don't got. Told her bleed her knees and get to die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. Bitches on bitches, I got options. Told the bitch to bleed her knees and slap me. Yeah, I'm really him, that's why they copy. Yeah, I'm really him, that's why they copy. Circle really smaller than a dot, can give a fuck about a posse. A team aside a team, bitch, I'm my own posse. Nigga, I'm my own, nigga, yeah, hold on. Die, she tryna see what's in the, she tryna knowledge. Now I'm bringing in that back. She tryna see what's in my presence. Now I'm bringing in that back. She tryna see what's in my presence, cause I left her ass in past tense. All right, boom. Now that I got that down, I'm finna just repeat my hook. So, hey, feel me? Why would I lie? Keep this shit feel me? Delete all the scraps. Hey. And then this is when the hook start. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. Bitches on. You feel me? You gotta crisp it up, man. So, yup. This is the surprise. This shit can get rocky. So what I'm doing now is, you feel me, I'm just finna clear it out, clear the hook out, you feel me, and y'all gonna see. Get rocky. Bitches on bitches, I got options. Told the bitch to bleed her knees and slap me. Feel me? Clear it up. Gonna crisp it up, right? Boom. I usually start from the beginning, but going a little backwards today. Boom, got that. You want to make sure your fades are not like too overpowering to where it's kind of like, it kind of throw the mixing off. Kind of just want to just, you know, just have it right there, you know. Now, this is kind of a bad example. All right, see, like that. That's a good example right there. Just kind of have it just right on the edge, you know. In some cases, you may have to, you know, duplicate it and, you know, just like working out. Presence, cause I left her ass in past tense. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you. All right, y'all. So boom, you feel me? It sound a little offbeat. It usually don't be sounding like that, but you feel me? I just probably gotta like, it's not probably, but like in cases like that, when you try to like repaste your hook and it don't like sound right, you would have to kind of like re-record it, which isn't bad, you know. It's just, you know, it just is what it is. But now I'm finna be showing y'all, you feel me, how to mix up some clear vocals. Now, to be honest, instead of making a completely new preset, I'm going to just put that red bar up like I just did right there. And, that's called the repeater. And what the repeater does is you place it over a certain section and it repeats that certain section, like it turns it into a loop, you feel me, until you cut it off. So, and that's going to help me focus on the vocals, you feel me, and do my big one. But let's get into it. So, boom, this is what I'm finna do. I got the Geek preset. As y'all can see, I completely cleared it. And shout out to bandlab for adding some new dope presets. You feel me? I'm gonna have to do some videos on that soon, so stay tuned. But first thing I'm gonna start off with is my graphic EQ. So I'm just trying to get I'm finna cut out all those high ends and just the low ends. You feel me? Just just get it sounding clear as possible with the graphic EQ, and then I'm gonna start adding on my other effects to kind of just make it louder. And you feel me, the main goal right now, what I'm trying to get down packed is the quality, like the crispiness. This is where the clearness comes from. So let's get into it. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit right. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready. All right, boom. So now that we got that out the way, man, I'm finna add on another graphic EQ, and this is just to amp up what I kind of was turned down on the first graphic EQ. For this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. All right, boom. Now that we got that out the way, we're gonna head over to our, you feel me, our compressor. Boom. The Digicomp is a really good one in the FBK. I'm going to go with Digicomp. So boom. Another thing, I'm throwing a noise gate too. Good noise gate. Wow. And I'm gonna set the ratio to about 3. You feel me? 3.0. Basically, with the the ratio, what they said, it determines the intensity of the applied gain reduction. So you feel me? I guess every 3 dB, it's gonna shoot it back down to, I don't know. Hey man, I just play it by ear. If you're having a hard time mixing, just play it by ear, man. But do your research too, so you can get an understanding of it, so you can at least know something, you feel me, get an idea of what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? But that's just my little sauce right there. The attack, I'm gonna set that 60, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this on 33. And then my, threshold, bada bing. Now I'm finna add on my EQ3. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think. All right, boom. As y'all can hear, it sounding clear. Now I'm finna throw some reverb on there. You really ready for this ride? Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. Why we ready for this ride? You feel me? Yeah, man. Oh yeah, almost forgot the de-esser. Almost forgot that thing, man. And boom, that's how you make your little preset. Let's see how it's sounding compared to my old preset. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. Bitches on bitches. Now that was just a little test. And now I forgot one effects. Now usually when your vocals ain't sounding loud enough, you feel me? Throwing that tech lab turn the squeeze down, and then turn the gain up a little bit. Wow. And that's how you fix that right there. Now let's hear it. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. Hold on, I gotta throw some sauce on there right quick. I ain't gonna lie. Boom. A little sauce, man. Reverse that. Bow. Now let's listen to it. Why would I lie? Keep this shit 100 till I die. I don't think you really ready for this ride. This shit can get rocky. Bitches on bitches, I got options. Told the bitch to bleed her knees and slap me. You feel me? Now, yeah. As y'all can hear a minute, it got a different sound to it. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and y'all learned something, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on no big body bangers, man. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.